Hey guys, today we're going to do some Jason makeup. I'm very excited. Sam and I actually watched Friday the 13th the other night. It was pretty good. We watched like the new one, like the remake or whatever. It wasn't too bad. It was a good movie. So that's what we're doing today. So I'm just put my hair up. Okay. So I think today I'm going to start once again with a little bit of clown makeup, or a bit of clown white. I'm just trying to think, I might just grab like this brush, it's got a little bit of stuff left on it, and I'm just kind of going to draw, because it is a mask, it obviously doesn't cover his whole face, so I kind of might do it like that. And then also his eyes. Okay, so I'm going to take my Maron Clown White and I'm just going to start by putting it on. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take a beauty blender and just go over the top and just really like, what do you call it, like spread it out I guess and make it a little bit neater. And now that at this point I'm just going to take my CMA powder, the no colour powder, and I'm going to set my face. Okay, I feel like that feels good. So now we're going to get on to actually turning this into a mask. So I think what I'm going to do first is I need to kind of figure out proportions, I guess. So I'm having a look at his mask. I think we might start with the red stripes. So today I'm just going to use face paint, and I'm going to go in to my Maron palette. It's a little bit hard though because this is the colour my red is, like it's got so much black mixed in with it. It's not really red anymore, which is not good. And because his is a very like bright red, isn't it? I might see if I put a bit of pink in it. Alright, we're just gonna do it anyway. Okay, so it's like a straight line. Okay. And then the next parts are like down the side of his face. Okay. Okay, so those bits are done now. And then we have to do like the little holes. So what I'm going to do for that is I'm going to go into my black face paint and I'm going to take like the bum of this and then do some. So we have 3 here. We have 2 across the red bit. Like that. We have 1 here. Just trying to see what the ones on the side look like. Okay, so next I need like a brown shade to do like, or like, no, I can do it with the black. Okay, I'm gonna draw like the straps of his mask. So like Okay, what I'm going to do now is wash the butt of this. Oh, I've been filming for a while. And then go into like to the white of the palette, which mine is like grey at the moment, but anyway, I'll make it work. Get some like on the butt and do where it connects like that. Okay, what's next? I guess we can probably start to do the eyes now. So what I'm going to do for this is I might just do this bit off camera just because it's pretty basic. I'm just going to fill in the eyes with the black. First with my face paint and then with my eyeshadow. I'll do that now. Okay, so this is what I've got now. So I think now it's time to kind of define these black dots a little bit more. I mean, they're meant to be like air holes, if you know what I mean. So we're kind of gonna like, and mask is also quite dirty. It's a little bit hard to do with the clown white underneath. But anyway, I'm trying my best. I'm going to take like a really small liner brush and just do kind of like outline. Like that, and I'm just gonna take a cotton tip, just like clean up anything. Alright, so I feel like I need to make the mask a little bit dirty. I'm gonna take my little Fenty sponge thing again, and I think I might just mix like a few like browns and the black and just like a few colours all together and kind of like just go over it all. Just because like, yeah, I don't know, he's out there, like he's at the camp, but like he's not gonna be clean. Okay, I feel like that looks a bit better, like it's a bit more textured, if you know what I mean. Okay, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to take my spray blood because this one dries down, so that's what I need. And I'm just going to take like some paper towel. I'm going to stick my little thing on there and then spray some of the spray blood on it. The other one doesn't dry down, whereas I want this to look like it's old blood, like it's dried up. And then remember that these are air holes, so we will have to go back over them because there's obviously not going to be like blood on them, if you know what I mean. Anyway, we'll do that in a second. Right, it's good. It should like dry in a second. So I'll just go back into my Maroon palette, into the black. And I'll just go over like all the holes that need a touch up. Okay, I feel like we're all good. I feel like this is the finished look. So, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I had so much fun doing it and I feel like it turned out really well. I'm really quite happy with it. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.